In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play Fortnite on PC with a PlayStation controller. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This works with either a PS4 controller or a PS5 controller, and the best way to actually get this to work is to connect it using a USB-C cable directly into your PC. As soon as I plug in this controller, it's going to disconnect my mouse and immediately detect my controller. Now what I can do is go ahead and press the options button just like on console to navigate settings and go specifically up to the controller tab right here. This is where you can adjust all your settings like your input button layouts, your sensitivity, your response curve, and your stick dead zones, which are especially important for aiming. I obviously don't really recommend playing over Bluetooth on PC just because it does cause noticeable input delay. I would recommend using that wired connection just because it's going to give you faster response time and smoother gameplay. But that is literally all there is to it. Just plug in that controller, launch Fortnite, and you are good to go. You can even have Fortnite launched and then plug in that controller and you're going to be good to go. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.